Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Earn money online through blogging. 7 ways to make money with a WordPress site. Bluehost blog. Make blog beautiful with a personalized template and free custom domain. Powering over 2 million websites worldwide. Hash number 1 in speed and security. Select your hosting plan. WordPress web hosting. Google AdMob earn money from your app. 100 plus networks globally. Set up, manage, and optimize multiple mobile ad networks via mediation. AdMob automation ensures your ad units are filled by the highest paying advertisers. Earn more with your apps, earn more and scale fast. Engaging ad formats real time CPM data. Subscribe, earn 17 to 65 per hour. Find an amazing new job today. Want to earn up to 65 per hour? Job alert sent to your inbox. Want to earn up to $65% 5 per hour. Companies are hiring now. Job alerts sent to your inbox. Work at home. New high paying jobs. Find jobs near you, contact us. Paid per click, earn money from internet. ptclab.click. PTC Lab is a complete and ultimate PHP site for pay per click platform. Earn money in really easy way, watching advertisement and earn money. These are the best and easiest way to make money as a blogger. Use affiliate marketing on your blog. Add banner advert to your website. Write advertorials and sponsored content. Charge for sponsored social media posters. Write guest blog posts for media outlets. Work with an agency to build your blog. How to make money from blogging, save the student. People also ask, how do bloggers make money online? Do online blogs make money? How much do online bloggers make? How do beginner bloggers make money? 30 proven ways to make money online blogging with WordPress 2020. 4 March 2021. Here are a few methods that work. Make money with affiliate marketing. Display Google AdSense on WordPress. Use a WordPress advertising plugin to sell ads directly. Sell sponsored blog posts. Get paid to write reviews. Earn online by flipping website. Get public speaking gigs as an influencer. Add Google AdSense. Review site with affiliate links. How to make money blogging. The practical guide for 2021. 1 March 2021. What are the ways bloggers make money? Various income streams. Ad networks like AdSense, Media.net, directory advertisements, affiliate marketing. My 5 years affiliate earnings. 3 best ad network for new. How to make money online. Your first $100K blogging income diary. At Income Diary, we focus on make money online niche. Making money online is something that interests a lot of people from many different. How to make money with your blog in 2021. Blogging Basic 101. 5 January 2021. One of the most common ways bloggers make money is through placing ebooks, online courses, workshops, image, video, or music. How to make money blogging free guide for 2021. Smart blogger. Most of the people making a lot of money from their blogs are doing it through online courses. Ramit Sethi reported costs 10 million. Choose the right blogging. How to make money with a blogger for beginners complete guide. How to make money blogging in 2021. $203K in 1 year. Best ways to make money blogger for beginners. Earn more money with a side hustle like blogging. How to make money blogging. 1. Google AdSense. 2. Amazon Associates. 3. Affiliate marketing. How to make money blogging Google AdSense. There are several ways to monetize a blog. Discover different online revenue models and popular strategies to make money from your blog. At Google Play, install now to look earn money online, real earning from home, from the comfort of home, whenever you want quick money online in your free time. Free install. Install now, watch video and earn money daily cash offer 2021. Watch video and earn reward daily, scratch and win daily. Install now, watch video and earn money daily cash offer 2021.